Have you ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes of tech companies or product launches? It's like peering through a keyhole into a world filled with innovation, excitement, and a touch of secrecy. Let's unwrap this topic and discover the fascinating world behind the scenes. Tech companies, like magic makers, work tirelessly to develop groundbreaking products that capture our imaginations. They brainstorm, research, and build prototype after prototype in their quest for perfection. Each product starts as a small seed of an idea that gradually blossoms into something extraordinary. Once the groundwork is laid, the company begins the intricate dance of marketing and promotion. With careful strategy, they craft a compelling narrative around their product, enticing potential customers with sneak peeks, teasers, and unique selling points. In these pre-launch stages, secrecy is paramount, every detail counts, and leaks can spell disaster. The product launch itself is a spectacle of anticipation and grandeur. Think of it as a magician's show, with surprises up every sleeve. Tech companies pull out all the stops, staging elaborate presentations and captivating demonstrations. They aim to leave the audience awestruck, eager to get their hands on the latest and greatest gadgets. But what about after the curtain falls on the launch? Behind the scenes, tech companies closely monitor public reception and gather feedback. They listen to their customers, making tweaks, updates, and improvements to ensure a seamless user experience. This ongoing process helps refine and evolve their creations, making them even more extraordinary. So, the next time you marvel at a new tech product, take a moment to peek behind the curtain. Explore the world of innovation, creativity, and tireless dedication that lies behind every tech company and product launch. It's a captivating journey that connects us to the groundbreaking technology we rely on every day.